hello guys, so we have a new robot here. So let me show you how to install this robot, okay, from start to finish. This is the lifetime license. So open an empty file, go to file, open data folder, MQL5, then go to expert, then paste the robot here. Okay, as you can see, I'm done. Close this file, go to expert advisors, right click and refresh. Okay, press this plus sign right here. Here's the robot. Okay, as you can see. So let me plug it on volatility 50. Time frame is M1 or 1 minute always. Okay, drag your robot to your screen like this. You can drag it like this, or you can double click it like this. So allow algo trading. As you can see, this is my WhatsApp number. Even here there's a link for WhatsApp here. If you click here, it will take you to my WhatsApp. Okay, as you can see, this EA is trading 11 indexes. Okay, so if you want this robot to trade automatically, you must turn false to true on any index. Okay, so for now I will turn volatility 50 to true. Okay, it's this one. You must double click here. If you double click, then it will turn to true. Okay, so if volatility 50 is true only, that means it will only trade volatility 50, then it won't trade volatility 75 or anything else. It will only trade volatility 50. Okay, when you are done like this, you can click OK. Okay, let me change number of trades. Here's number of trades, and here is volatility 50 lot size. As you can see, it's written 4.0, which means it's 4. So number of trades, I'll put 5. Okay, then when you are done like this, we click algo trading. So let me show you something. As you can see, this cap right here is gray. That means this robot is not active. If it's active, it must be blue. Let me show you. After clicking here, it must be blue. As you can see, now it's blue. That means it's active. It will trade. It will take trades as long as you have internet connection. So let me back test. Okay, on volatility 50, time frame is M1 always. Okay, then I want to back test from 1 January 2025 up until 31 January 2025 on a deposit of 200 USD. Okay, then if I go to inputs, as you can see, volatility 50, you must turn it to what? To true, from false to true, by double clicking it and opening this down arrow only on backtest. like this. You double click, then you click again, you go to true right here, then you back test, you click start. So I will be pausing so that it can finish the whole month. So as you can see, it's doing everything automatically without me clicking anything. As you can see, everything is automatic, guys. So since this video will be long, I will be pausing and coming back, as you can see. Or let me change number of trades to 5. Let's see, number of trades, let me put 5. So default number of trades is 2. You can also make it 1 if you want. So for now I'll be using a 5 number of trades. So as I said, I will be pausing and coming back so that this video won't be long. So as you can see, now we are sitting on 374. Okay. So guys, as you can see, this EA already doubled this account in about 4 days. Okay. Yeah guys, so as you can see, we are now approaching 600 USD. So it's still going, guys. It's still going. Still going, guys. Yeah guys, we are still on. So now we are on 600 USD. Okay. We are approaching 700 USD very soon. We are still on day 10. Yeah guys, we are still going. As you can see, we are approaching 900 USD in about 12 days. So I'll be done when this EA is done trading, guys. Yeah guys, so as you can see, we are now on 30 January. Okay. So as I told you, you must keep this robot active 24/7 so that you can open trades. Even if you install it on one chart, then allow everything you want to trade, it will also trade them. Okay guys, so as you can see, this robot we are already on 1000 USD, guys. So guys, as you can see, it's 12 January, we are done trading. As you can see, from a deposit of 200 USD, we made a profit of